question. If anyone met me at PAX this weekend, was I shorter than you thought I'd be? Cause at TwitchCon, I got a lot. Hi. Absolutely yes. Because I was walking around with Ted, right? And I am more than a foot shorter than Ted. And so people would walk up to us and I feel like they'd be like, oh, it's Ted. And look over and be like, oh wait, Xander, thank you for $2. I was taller than you thought? I have never gotten that in my life. At TwitchCon, a lot of what I got was like, you're oh my god, you're so short and you big boobs.
Hey, Kate, do you ever read your Instagram DM?
I just wanted to tell you that Howie thinks the world of you and he really appreciates everything you do and bye.
I'm good. I'm good, dude. I'm good.
Happy Christmas.
Cock. I would make a good meal out of the person I hate. Now, I don't really hate anyone. When I hear this, I don't know who I would kill. So I guess I wouldn't. Chat is saying no. You guys are overwhelmingly disagreeing with me and being disgusted. So I think I'm gonna go with a soft I will not. What do you say, chat? Like, everyone disagreed with us. These people, what's the point? Come to life. Alright, we're pressing that fucking button, dude. How could people not press it? Are you kidding me? Dubstep fight scenes now. Dude, some of these comments are absolute gems. Are you interested? Fart? You guys would be so lucky if a girl were to fart in your face, okay? I'm sure you would all welcome it. I want chocolate with my strawberries. I don't have chocolate. Me hoy min yoy? No. I think we all agree. Sleep is no longer required, but you cannot ever leave the city you're in. Heh. What if I don't live in a city? You got him, Morgan Mayer. You sure got the devs of this website, this game. You got him. Good job, Morgan Mayer. I would totally say yes. I don't know. I feel like it would be enough for me to know. You know what I mean? Would I get the money for it? Would you get the money for it, though? Even assuming you don't give the money for it, I would want to write the greatest book.
And I think your glasses are really cute, and I also wear glasses.
Holy shit, we both wear glasses. We have so much in common. We should have sex. That's crazy. I get to meet Katerino in person and have tea. But she kidnaps you and keeps you hostage throughout your adulthood. Well, chat? I think I see more twos. Bada bing, bada boom. Well, if you have amazing godlike powers, then you could probably, like, levitate your throne around. So, yeah, that'd be cool. Right? Oh, yeah, the comment literally says flying throne. It's your gamer chair. Ugh. It's your gamer chair, exactly. You'll just levitate your gamer chair everywhere. It'll be awesome. It'll be so fun.